Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0x8007042b Windows Update error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. If this doesn't help, then I'll give you a different solution. So we have a script for you. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will finally restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.